Okay, boy. Come here. Come here. Oh, he's a good boy. No. Stop. Stop. It's okay. There we go. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Nice fur. And it kind of escalated from there because we got so good at sneaking in and out to get food that it was a natural escalation to become a burglar and thief because you got so sneaky and so quiet and so discreet about it, and you were so young, nobody paid any attention to you. You could take and do whatever you wanted. Oh, boy. When I took him on his first burglary. The house on the corner is very important. Good. It's the first time in my life where I made a conscious decision to commit a crime. Is he getting camera shy? Ugh. He ended up almost being caught and jumped off the roof. Boy. He got away at that time. Yes. Within a couple of days later, being living in the park, when I hollered at him and said, I'll be right back. Didn't know where he was going, but he went right into that house with a lady in his yard hanging up on him. Went in, took her money, back up the front door, over the park to me. That's the first time he was much more extreme than I was.
Crazy breaking into places and using men to go in. He was smaller, plus if he got caught, he was rigid. You know, and he wouldn't go to prison, jail.
He did what I told him to do when we were going through this stage, okay? He was younger, so I was trying to protect him. And he was sharing bad things with me, so there was a bond there. What I've been doing is going through the microfiche at the libraries and looking up old stories about us, like this 100 burglars in 90 days that we were arrested for back in 1973, 1975. So I got sent to the film school, and then I got shipped off to the Army when I turned 17. Let's finish being from in and out of the Iowa juvenile prison system. I was sentenced to PICO, which was a reform school for juvenile offenders. And while I was out there, a couple of the guards, I think evidence of it, were sexually molested him while he was there. I had seen one of the notes that the guard had sent back with his mail to their cell. Get back to your cell, get it up, I'll be there in a minute.
That's nice.
Nobody cares for you now, son. No kids meant on the inside. You know, you're going through hell. So when you get out of that situation, I would have died. If you think he's a... This is a sad state of affairs.
Cody just got out of reform school, and one of his friends told him that the girl that he used to see in line was in the hospital, that she had a baby, and that they wouldn't let her out of the hospital because she had no address or no info with the baby. So they went up there, and next thing I know, he come to the door with Debbie and the little baby. He loved the baby, it was his parents, he adopted it legally.
But I always wanted to be a good person, and he wanted to have good things, and he wanted somebody to say, look at what I've done. Look at how I turned out. But everything he touched turned bad.
He was very jealous. He didn't trust Debbie at all. She didn't do anything, but he just didn't trust her.
Glenn married Debbie in 1980 and soon had a second baby of her own. But their marriage was no better way. She had to be in the house, taking care of the kids, not at the store, and she variated in any way from whatever plan that was that day. Then she would get beat.
He beat Debbie and put her in the hospital. So that was the first that I ever heard he was
got to beat him to keep him to stick around 50 years. After Glenn beat Debbie so bad that it looked like he was going to be arrested, Glenn took off to California. Debbie ended up with the kids and a divorce. Glenn stayed in Los Angeles, still wanted to make a family of his own.
You met another girl, her name's Kathy, and they had one child, a boy. But that marriage didn't work out either.
A lot of people split up. A lot of people get divorces and have kids. But if you take a certain kind of person that this is their life and it means everything to them, everything, their being, the reason for getting up in the morning, and you just take it from them. You know what I mean? Of course, not only are you going to be angry, nowhere to turn, but eventually you back into a corner and the fun is coming. After Glenn split from Kathy in 1984, our dad Claude got sick and died. Glenn started to unravel even more. He was doing drugs, getting arrested a lot, traveling after he wasn't exactly. When he came back home to Memphis, he'd be more violent, taking more risks, more chances.
He usually sneezes a lot more than that.
This is a sketch of an armed robber.
But for some reason, this is not cooperating right now. But anyways, you can catch more of my sneezing clips. Uh-oh, maybe I'm going to sneeze now. Hold on. Well, maybe not. On Clips Yourself. Just type in pretty sneezes to find all my sneezing clips.